G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. So on this video, we're getting back into the VR wagon. We're going to finish it up. So I've got a bunch of clips where I've painted all the silver on the doors and the guards, painted the rad support, the cowl panel, the cargo area, and the owner's assembled it. Back so it's an assembled car because the owner actually works with me at work. So I've got a clip of the car all back together as much as it's going to be together, then he's taken it home to finish it all. So other things that are going on, the VN, it's not here. It's at a mate's shed up on the hoist with the gearbox, clutch, everything pulled out of it. I'm getting into it, we're getting into it. You know, I've got a hand from a couple of mates. So that's getting fixed. I've been filming that. And after I finish filming this little intro, I'm off to my shop where I'm going to get back into the VZ. It's been asked a few times in the comments what the go is with the car. I've had a few things happen, which has made me step away from the shed for a little bit, but I'm going there after this, getting the rest of the VZ finished, and I'm planning on taking that car to work tomorrow to paint it. So I do have a video ready on that car with a lot of prep work. And then tomorrow when I take it in to paint, I'll obviously film all that, combine it all, we'll make one big video out of it. So there's a couple of videos that are just about ready to come through and be put up on the channel. So, you know, if you like what you see on the channel, stick around because there's plenty to come. So let's get straight into it, and I'll see you at the end. All right, so that's the VL all done and dusted, so it's ready to go home. I'll probably give it a little denib and polish before it goes, but we're pretty much finished. So hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff if you want to. And I'm off to the shed now to do a bit more. So hopefully next week I'll have a VZ video out for you, and that'll be painted too. So we're cooking with gas at the moment, and I'm keen to get back into the VN and get the gearbox back in, because it's all currently here in front of me, all ready to go in, but you're going to have to wait for that video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.